Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum 12 Days of Cookie series. Today we're making cookie number 4. It's going to be a double chocolate blizzard cookie, and this episode starts right now. As I mentioned, guys, double chocolate blizzard cookies. Cookie number 4 on my 12 Days of Cookie series on Stovetop Yum Yum. Okay, guys, so let's get straight to it. So I have in here, I have half a cup of light brown sugar, a stick of unsalted butter, because as you all know, I like to control the salt in my food. We have half a cup of regular granulated sugar. But okay, so let's get to it. So we're going to cream this as always for 3 minutes. Approximately 3 minutes. I went ahead and added a teaspoon of vanilla in there. That's for one batch, but I doubled mine. So remember, baking is all about math. There are no shortcuts in baking, and there's no guessing. You have to measure precise because it's all chemical reactions once you mix all your ingredients. All right, so let's get to it. So I'm going to cream this in 3 minutes, and when I come back, I'm going to show you the dry ingredients and, of course, our chocolate chips because it is a double chocolate cookie. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so our sugar and butter is creamed. Keep in mind, I said before, it's a quarter cup of light brown sugar and half a cup of granulated white sugar. And then we have a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 stick of unsalted butter. All right, let's get to the dry ingredients. We have half a cup of cocoa powder, a cup of flour. I have 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I also have, we're using baking soda today. Remember, baking soda is an agent that will help your cookie rise. Okay, so we're using a teaspoon of baking soda. And that's about it. So now, before we put our dry ingredients in, I'm going to use an egg, but I'm going to use 2 eggs because I'm doubling my batch. So what we need to do is what I always tell you to do, and I always do, is we need to check our eggs. This one passed the test, and this one. You don't want any eggs with issues in a batch once you start because you're going to lose all those ingredients, all right? So let's put 1 egg at a time in. 1. Remember, with your dry ingredients, once you start putting them in, make sure you put, if you have a stand-up mixer like this or a regular mixer, either one is wonderful. But like I always say, make sure you put it on low speed. If not, you will have a snowstorm in your kitchen. I mean, literally. And it's no fun to clean up. All right, so now I'm going to lower it. And I'm going to start adding my dry ingredients. Oh, that cocoa smells good. So we're going to use we're going to make them double chocolate because we're also going to put a cup of chocolate chips in our cookie. That's what makes them double chocolate. In this case, I'm using 2 cups because I'm doubling my recipe. Don't forget your tablespoon of flour. Dust your chocolate chips with a tablespoon of flour so your chocolate chips don't sink to the bottom of your cookie. All right, so I'm going to keep mixing this on low speed, and when I come back, our dough will be ready. I'll go ahead and put the chocolate chips in by hand, and you guys, this is some chocolatey stuff. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. You know what I forgot to mention, and I'm so sorry, is a tablespoon of granulated coffee. What coffee does is it enhances the taste, it enhances the flavor of chocolate. It's so incredible. It makes your chocolate even chocolatier. It just brings out that chocolate flavor. Hey guys, I've got my gloves. I like to do it by hand. You can use your mini scoop. Make sure you spray it. Spray it with some cooking spray so it doesn't stick. I just grab it with my hands. I just love it. This is a little bit softer than, this is a lot softer than the other cookies that we've made. So these are going to be a little bit smaller than a ping pong ball. They're not going to be bite-sized, but I want to make a lot of them because I want to share them. I want everyone to taste them. So once they're done, the reason why they're called double chocolate blizzard cookies, you're probably wondering, is once these first batch comes out of the oven, I have a surprise for you guys of what I'm going to do. I'm going to dust them with powdered sugar. That's going to be the blizzard in our cookie. Preheat your oven at 350. They'll go in 8 to 10 minutes. And you guys, when I come back, this whole tray will be lined with all of my cookies. They'll be in the oven and they'll be ready to dust with powdered sugar. You guys, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. I'm back and our first batch is out. Look at this on my rack. What I did was I put some wax paper under the rack for the powdered sugar. I have a little strainer with my powdered sugar and a little plate under it so it doesn't make like a powdered sugar mess. And you just lightly sprinkle it on top of your cookie right when it comes out of the oven. And that is our double chocolate blizzard cookie, you guys. Oh my God. Is this ever so adorable? What do you guys think? I'll show you a close-up now. Just sprinkle it, you know, dust it. Like, generously, but then again, not rolled in powdered sugar. Does that make sense? I kind of overdid it with one of them, but that's okay. This is our blizzard double chocolate cookie. Check this out, guys. That's our blizzard double chocolate cookie. Yum, yum. Guys, look at the LED light behind me. Shame on me. I'm sorry, I'm not a professional yet, but I'm trying. Okay. Here's my double chocolate cookie. See it? 350-degree oven, 8 to 10 minutes, dusted with powdered sugar. Let's try it. Here goes nothing, you guys. It's warm. Here you go. Oh my God. Mmm. Mmm. It's like an explosion of chocolate in your mouth. And it's not too sweet. And then you get that dusting of the powdered sugar on top. Oh my Lord. Delicious. I have to finish it though because I always have to try it twice. Those of you that know me and see all my videos know that I double dip. Always have to double dip to make sure. Stick the whole thing in my mouth. Oh my God. Wish me luck. Take a deep breath. Here we go. Mmm. Oh! Mmm. Mmm. God. You guys. It's perfection. Mmm. Mmm. It's like it's so beautiful. It's so crispy on the outside. And chewy on the inside. Listen, you guys. Oh, and they look so beautiful on a plate. I'm going to pick this up and show you guys what it looks like. I hope they don't fly off. Look at that, guys. Oh. Wow. Yum. So remember, my friends, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've already subscribed, oh, don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And as always, you guys, 2 main ingredients in any recipe that you make: passion and love. With those 2 main ingredients, your recipe will never fail. I promise you that. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum 12 Days of Cookies series, cookie number 5 is coming next. And I'll see you guys then. You don't want to miss it, you guys. Take great care as always. Bye.